Here I have TCL 10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the system first of all you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then to the date and time, and here you can change your date and time settings. If you want to set your date and time manually, you have to disable this feature, automatic date and time, and here you can set your date. Here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone manually if you remove this automatic time zone feature, and here you can select your time zone, and you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.